Ever feel completely overwhelmed by the daily grind? Like stress is a constant companion, never leaving. That constant nagging feeling, making even small tasks feel like huge burdens. It's exhausting, isn't it? I used to let tiny frustrations, like a spilled coffee or heavy traffic, completely spiral into a meltdown. My mind would race, building small inconveniences into a mountain of stress, one thought after another. It felt like a constant battle, turning simple moments into overwhelming challenges. Sound familiar, perhaps? This constant tension steals our inner peace, making it hard to relax or find quiet moments. It clouds our judgment, making even simple decisions feel incredibly difficult and confusing. We miss truly living in the present, overlooking the simple beauty unfolding right before us. But here's the good news. You can learn to hit pause and reclaim your calm anytime. Try this simple mindfulness technique. Take one deep, conscious breath, fully inhaling. Notice the cool air filling your lungs, then slowly, deliberately releasing it out. Feel your feet firmly on the ground, connecting you to the earth beneath you. Just for a moment, be fully present in this exact spot, right now, fully aware. This small, conscious act is a powerful anchor, grounding you amidst life's storms. It brings you back to the calm within, even during your busiest, most challenging days. Ready to transform your daily stress into lasting inner peace and clarity? Subscribe to Quiet Mind for more practical soul care insights and mindful guidance. Let's embark on this journey together to find and nurture your essential inner calm.